Welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to write Instagram caption with ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So, let's get started. You know that writing Instagram captions with ChatGPT can save you time and help you craft engaging, creative and impactful posts. Here, I'm gonna show you some structure with point along with example prompt. So, let's go. Number 1. Be specific about your post theme. Here, the more details you provide, the better ChatGPT can tailor the caption to match your post vibe. Example prompt. Give me a fun and engaging Instagram caption for a travel photo in Bali. Let's check the answer. You'll find the best result from ChatGPT. The next one, number 2. Request different style of tones. ChatGPT can create caption in various styles: funny, poetic, motivational, or trendy, based on your request. Example prompt. Generate a witty short caption for a coffee shop aesthetic post. Let's check it. Here is the best result from ChatGPT. And the last one, number 3. Ask for hashtags and emojis. Including hashtags and emojis boost discoverability and engagement. You can specify how many to include. Example prompt. Write a caption for a fitness progress post, relevant hashtags. Here is your result. ChatGPT will provide you the best result. So, with the right prompts, you can make your Instagram caption stand out effortlessly. Try experimenting with different requests to find what works best for your audience. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.